What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikarev, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is a stock. I will first give you a professional definition and then I'll explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so stock is a security that represents the ownership of a fractional part of a company. And here is an example. Whenever you are thinking about investing, the first things that come to your mind are probably stocks and shares, which by the way are the same things. Stocks and shares are synonyms. And yes, this is true that whenever you're buying stocks of any particular company, you become a partial owner of this company. But it absolutely doesn't mean that you can enter the offices of this company and just take furniture to your house. But instead, you are entitled to a small portion of earnings of this company called dividends. When a company makes money and after all the expenses are paid out, the management can decide to reward its shareholders. And in this case, dividends are distributed. And if you own shares of this company, you are among these people who will receive a small portion of it. Imagine a company has 1 million shares outstanding and you own 1,000 of them. It means that you own 0.1% of this company, which is obviously 1,000 divided by 1 million. In other words, you are entitled to 0.1% of dividends. So, when this company is paying, let's say so, $300,000 in dividends, $300 are yours. Owning stocks of a company also gives you voting rights, which basically means whenever there is a decision to make during a shareholders meeting, all shareholders will be asked to exercise their voting rights. And the more shares you own, the more influential your vote is. That is why major shareholders can influence the direction of where the company is going and even appoint the board of directors. Stocks and shares can also be common or preferred, penny stocks or blue chip stocks. And if you're not sure what either of those mean, feel free to watch my next videos. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investing. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that you learned today and it was straight to the point.